Alright, so HTML format enable enables or disables the default HTML formatter. Now, be aware that there's another option here, which is a default formatter. And if you install an extension that offers code formatting and you set its identifier string here, this becomes the default formatter and takes precedence over all other formatter settings. So if you install something like the Prettier extension and you set its identifier string to here, all of these settings don't matter, right? They don't matter because Prettier is going to be handling the code formatting for HTML. However, if you don't install such a extension, or if you install it but you don't put that default formatter setting there, then this counts for something. And what this does, obviously, is enables or disables the default formatter for HTML. So let me show you what it looks like. If we come here and we change a few stuff, something like that, and we save it again, because I have format on save, it's going to trigger a format and it correctly formats everything. If we disable this and we do that again, we change the indentation and we save it again, nothing happens. Obviously, this is a good thing to leave enabled so that your code is always perfectly formatted. So I'm going to leave this option as true.